Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic.
So we've just arrived at Allans Beach and we parked up, and it's just a short walk down. We can hear the beach now, so we should be here in a few minutes. Apparently there's lots of seals here.
Yeah.
So let's see. So there's a big male sea lion behind me. He's the biggest I've seen so far. He's quite a monster. So Allans Beach, and here's a sea lion right here swimming next to us. Look at this. It's along there. Where's he gone? Okay. That's the sort of commitment I get from my partner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I think that I'm going to